Namaste, myself Dr. K.K. Chaudhary, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women University, Jaipur. Teaching subject Animal Physiology and Endocrinology, Zoology Lab. And today we will discuss about the experiment on blood grouping. First, the principle. The ABO grouping is defined both by the presence of A or B antigen on the surface of RBC by the simultaneous presence of anti-E, anti-A and anti-B antibody in the serum. An individual has in his serum the antibodies corresponding to the antigens which are not on his red blood cells. It is thus necessary to identify the erythrocyte antigen by the known anti-A, anti-B or anti-AB monoclonal antibodies, and then confirm the result by verifying the presence of corresponding antibody in the blood serum to be tested with control cells. Human RBC possess A or B antigen will agglutinate in the presence of antibody directed toward the antigen. The serum of a person may cause agglutination of RBC of another person depending on the presence or absence of the two antigens A and the B in the RBC and two specific agglutinins anti-A and anti-B in the serum. Human blood group are designated as A, B, AB and O. An RBC may have either or both factors A RBC may have either or both factors A, B, AB or none at all. A serum may contain either or both factors or none at all. If the corpuscle contain A, the serum contain beta, the blood group is A. If the corpuscle contain B, then serum contain the blood group is B. If corpuscle contain both A and B, the serum is free from alpha and beta, the blood group is AB, that is the universal receiver. If corpuscle contain neither A nor B, the serum contain both alpha and beta, the blood group is O, that is universal donor. Then the test tube method, a slide method of blood grouping. Collect 2 drops of blood in a small test tube. These are the 3 types: anti-A, anti-B, anti-A-B, anti-A blue colored, anti-B yellow colored, and anti-AB, you can say anti-D, that is the colorless. Sodium azide is added to prevent the growth of the bacteria. Anti-sera is kept stored at 40 degrees. These are the bottles, the anti-serums which are used for the blood grouping test. This is the group A, B, AB or blood group O. Antibody in the plasma, A having the anti-B or A antigen, anti-A or B antigen, none, no antibody but both antigen, both antibodies but none antigens present into the blood group. Collect 2 drops of blood in a small test tube containing 1 or 2 ml physiological saline solution. Take 2 test small tubes and put 1 drop of capsule suspension and 1 drop of saline solution in each. Add 1 drop of anti-A serum in one tube, anti-B serum in the second tube and anti-D into the third tube. Mix the content of each tube gently and allow to stand at room temperature for 10 minutes. Though positive reaction can be detected within a few minutes, examine the content of each tube under the low power of a microscope for agglutination. Observation: if there is agglutination by alpha but not by beta, the group is A. If agglutination by beta not by A, blood group is B. Agglutination by both A alpha and beta group is AB, and no agglutination by alpha and beta, then blood group is O. This is all about the determination of the blood group, principle, method and observation. Hope you understand the topic, and if you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University, Jaipur. Thank you.